What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
I have some big news to share with you all today. This is breaking news. Just over 5 minutes ago, there was a press release by Bionano Genomics. COVID-19 host genome SV consortium identifies structural variants with possible roles in pathogenesis and outcomes in severely ill COVID-19 patients using Bionano's Sapphire system. What this means is that BNGO's technology was able to identify structural variants that no other gene sequencing technology has been able to do thus far. Now, this is to the best of my knowledge, but go ahead and fact check me on this. You can read the whole press release later, but let me just give you a summary of what this actually means. I'm going to quote the senior author of the study. As a director of a high-volume testing lab in Augusta University for COVID-19, I've seen firsthand the pain and devastation this virus can cause in those who get severely ill. The majority of the ICUs across the country are filled with patients fighting for their lives. Yet we did not know why some became so severely ill, while the same virus causes only mild symptoms in most. Our study shows clearly that many of these severely affected patients carry genetic variants that may cause or at least contribute to the severity of their disease by weakening the effectiveness of the immune response, increasing viral replication, or making it easier for the virus to spread between cells in the body. Importantly, the large genomic variants detected by optical genome mapping, which is what Bionano Genomics does, in this study are typically missed by short-read sequencing or SNP-based methods used in other studies, which explains why previous studies haven't made the same impact. So basically what they're saying here is that even though scientists have been carrying out genome sequencing in patients that have had severe illnesses due to COVID-19, they've not been able to identify the structural variants that they have now been able to identify with Sapphire technology. They also mention how the short-read sequencing and SNP methods have failed to detect these important structural variants. Short-read sequencing, by the way, is basically the technology that Illumina uses. So I think this press release will most likely have an impact on the share price today. We should definitely see a spike. You can already see that BNGO's share price has just taken off in before market hours. If you want to stay on top of what's discussed in the symposium, then consider hitting that subscribe button and turn the bell notifications on. Have an awesome day and I'll see you in the next one.